Research studies reveals in indocrating children's religious creed and ideology. First option is made no significant increase in socially approved behavior, produced a drastic reduction in crime. C. Resulted in 60% increase in socially approved behaviors. D. Resulted in significant children a decrease in socially approved behaviors. So the fourth option is the correct option. Resulted in significant decrease in socially approved behaviors. A type of grading that asserts fixed proportion of learners at different grades point, known as relative grading, direct grading, indirect grading, absolute grading. So the correct option is relative grading. Next question is, there are three of the following are essential for the teachers to do school or to fulfill the expectation of the society. Which one is not? First, they must record and guide behavior on social interaction. B. They must know the cultural heritage of the students. They must take school replies of adult studies. They must relate school activities to cultural pattern. So B is the correct option. They must know cultural heritage of the student. The next question is, creative children cannot be identified through certain observational technique. B. Interview. C. Aptitude test. D. Battery of IQ test. So the correct option is, children creative cannot be identified through certain observation techniques. Basic ideal of democratic society is powerful leadership, respect for enlightened individual, belief in the opinion of the leader, frequent listen as wrong, frequent criticism as wrong is the correct option. Frequent criticism of wrong is the correct option. The most common model child select to guide his life is A. Older sibling. B. A person who conduct approaches perfection. C. A parent, teacher, or a person in authority. D. A person who approximates the child's self-idol. So D is the correct option. The most common model child select to guide his life is a person who approximates the child's self-idol. It is diagrammatic position that no institution is too sacred to escape critical analysis. What is good for the individual is inherently good. The opposite of an evil is good. The purpose of play is to improve the ability to work. So the correct option is pragmatic position that purpose of play is to improve the ability to work. The most important advantage of true and false test is it eliminates of guessing through correction, the validity of its item, its wide sampling, the high diagnostic value. So the correct option is, the most important advantage of true and false is its wide sampling. Abbreviation of ADHD stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. Which of the following is not correct about the NCERT? Statutory body created by the Act of Parliament, autonomous organization under the Government of India, registered society under the Registration of Societies Act. Its main concern is to improve the quality of school education. So the correct option is, it is a statutory body created by the Act of Parliament. And next question is, to educate according to nature means, first, to educate according to natural laws of human development, to return to natural as opposed to the artificial in life, to study natural laws and apply them to the educational process, to set up educational institutions in the lab of natural like the ashram in the good old days. So the correct option is to educate according to the natural law of human development. Social development essentially a matter of conformity to demands of the social order. The basic purpose of supervision is to help the children in learn more effectively. Help the children in learn more effectively. The prime purpose served by AV aids is to clarify the certain aspects of learning experiences, permit meaningful studies, participation in actual learning experiences, provide variety from too exclusive use of a verbal approach, quit down a class whenever it gets restless and noisy. So the correct option is permit meaningful students participation in actual learning experiences. The most important function of a teacher is: first, guide people growths; second, provide effective teaching; third, provide remedial help wherever they needed; maintain order, discipline in the class. Guide people's growth is the correct option. Curriculum of school exists for its purpose of providing the children with the organized, meaningful, educative experiences. Setting standard of academic attainments is the wrong option. Provide the children with the skill necessary for effective and meaningful living. Wrong option. Provide uniformity in Indian education is wrong option. So the correct option is providing the children with the organized, meaningful, educative experiences.